Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. It is Jamie here, and it is cocktail time with Jamie and aroma time. So let's see. I'll give everybody a moment to log in here and join me for my first Facebook in a week and a half for cocktail times, or 2 weeks almost. It's been a crazy whirlwind of 2 weeks. I'll wait for some people to join in, and I will give you some heads up of what's been going on here with Marcus and I and at Aroma Time and with all of the fun and cool, interesting things that we have been doing. I see some people joining, so I haven't gotten the notification yet that I'm live. Marcus said it came up, so he just made me some fresh juice, but I'm not ready for it yet. Some nice green juice. What is it? Celery, apple,
cucumber, lemon, and ginger.
Ooh, yummy. So I will have that after I make my cocktail. I'm going to work out, and then I'll come back and drink my cocktail after I make it. So I see a few people joining me. I haven't gotten the login yet, or the notification yet. But thanks to those of you who are watching. Hello, Barbara. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Catherine. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I appreciate the support. I see some more people joining here. Not sure why it's not giving me the notification, but anyway, Marcus and I have been extremely busy the last 2 weeks. Sorry that I have not been on for my cocktail time. We were in Mexico, down in the Guadalupe Valley, the Valle de Guadalupe, and we were visiting some of the amazing wineries that they have there. We had amazing visits. We went to about 10 different wineries. If you have never had Mexican wine before, you should definitely try it. We'll have some new Mexican wines on our list come Friday or Saturday. I believe they're being delivered on Friday, so by the time we get them, on our list. But ask us if you come in and you don't see any on our list. Ask us, and we'd be happy to get you a bottle of Mexican wine. There are all different types of wines down in Mexico. There are about 140 different varietals that are grown down there. And there are no rules when it comes to what kind of wine to make. There are rules and regulations, of course, on how wine has to be made, but not what grapes that can be used in each of the wines that are made. Unlike Bordeaux or Burgundy, Italy has some rules and regulations on what wines can be grown in what region. For instance, Champagne can only be made in Champagne, France. So if you see Champagne labeled, it is from Champagne, France. Method Champenois is the style that they make the champagne. You can make Method Champenois in other parts of the world. For instance, New York is making amazing Method Champenois. So that is the style that champagne is made, but you cannot label it champagne if it's coming from the Finger Lakes. You can call it a sparkling wine, Method Champenois, and the style, sparkling wine is typical. So you find Prosecco in Italy, you find Cava in Spain, Champagne in Champagne, France. So in Mexico, there are no rules like that. Not yet. Hopefully they won't have any. But the grape that we saw the most was Nebbiolo, which is typically a northern Italian grape from Barolo, the Barolo region. They use Nebbiolo. Who else, Marcus? Not Brunello. Barbaresco. It uses Nebbiolo grape. But Nebbiolo down in Mexico is completely different than Nebbiolo grown in Italy. So completely different. So ask us if you want to taste some Mexican wine. We'd be happy to show you the way. Stay tuned for big news about a Mexican trip from Aroma Time to Mexico, and we will take you down there to wineries that we have been to, that we personally know the owners. I got to tell you, the hospitality was unbelievable down there. They are so thankful for us to come back down to Mexico and enjoy their wines and to bring them back to New York to our restaurant. So as time goes on, we'll share more and more information with you on that. But it is Tuesday night. We are closed tonight. We are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We will be back open on Thursday Thursday is jazz night. We didn't have jazz last Thursday. It was a little too cold outside, but I spoke to John Simon this morning, and John will not be here on Thursday, but we will have jazz outside in the garden on Thursday night, 6:30 to 9:30. We'll have the fire pit going, and we'd love for you to join us for jazz. We are then, of course, open all weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It is a holiday weekend. I highly recommend reservations. Friday, we open at 5, Saturday and Sunday at 3, and Monday at 5. We have a wine dinner on Monday night, October 11th. So we will do 4 wines in a dish for $29. Give us a call. Hopefully you can join us for that as well. So here I am. I'm going to be making an apple cider mule. Thanks everybody for watching me. I saw some more people join in. Hello, Robert. I appreciate it. I'm a little earlier today. I need to work out. I am catering something tonight. I need to deliver some food. I'm all over the place today. Busy, busy day, busy week. Of course, catching up on everything that I need to catch up on. So, all right. So I am going to be making an apple cider mule. I'm going to be using local apple cider. I'm going to be using LIV vodka. Sorry I didn't do a Facebook Live yesterday. For those of you that know, I'm sure you do, there was no Facebook yesterday. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, they were all down yesterday. So I got all my ingredients together and I went to go log in and I couldn't get on. So I apologize about that. But it was National Vodka Day yesterday. So I was going to use LIV vodka from Long Island Spirits, awesome company. So here we go, a apple cider mule. So 2 ounces of vodka. I have this awesome, delicious salted caramel that I am going to be putting in. I'm just going to put a little scoop in. I'm going to mix that up, and hopefully that will dissolve in there. That is yummy. That's making like a, you probably can't see it, but a vodka salted caramel. So I'm kind of making my own vodka, salted caramel vodka. I know they make one like that somewhere. Let's see. I am going to mix that on up. Awesome. I'm going to add some ice. Thanks, Noah. Got it. Awesome. If I have any questions, I'll let you know. Thank you. We'll see you soon. All right. Employees dropping stuff off to me. I am going to top it off with about 2 ounces of apple cider. Ooh, look at that. Yum, yum. And I'm going to top it off with some ginger beer. Now, remember, I haven't had this before. I am making this, but ginger beer and cider and salted caramel. Looks yummy. I don't know if you can see the, ooh, I'm spilling it. See the color there. All right. Mix that on up and let's taste away. Oh, that's yummy. Wow. So a apple cider mule. Again, people, everybody, you can make all different combinations of things. Come up, play with drinks, play with ideas, buy ingredients, just play with them at home. If you have something, try it. No, this isn't from Mexico, Ralph. This is actually just something that I found that sounded interesting. I made up my own little combination there. But this is a apple cider mule. Look at it. It looks delicious. And it tastes like salted. So it should actually be called a salted caramel apple cider mule because it's absolutely delicious. So hi, Ralph. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. I didn't really get a tan in Mexico, but thanks. I really wasn't outside in the sun really at all, but I guess I kind of got a little bit of red there. We were tasting wine most of the time inside or underneath tents. It wasn't really super sunny there. We never sat on the beach or anything. We were jumping from winery to winery. So thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. It is Tuesday. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Thursday night is jazz night. Stay tuned for our $9.99 deal of the week. You know, we really didn't set one out yesterday. We were a little crazed coming back from Mexico and just kind of getting settled back in after watching Justin play baseball on Saturday and Sunday in Buffalo. And it was a little crazy, but that's it. hope everybody has an awesome night. I know I will, and I will be back hopefully tomorrow. I know we are going to be tasting some Portuguese wine tomorrow afternoon, so maybe we will be live tasting some Portuguese wines. That's it. Come on in, join us. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you all soon. I got to go work out. Talk to you later. Bye.